Hey, good morning, everybody. You got Lyle here coming to you for a shave. Going to make this quick. Hopefully, it's an early morning here for me, and got a new razor I want to use. So today we're going to use A&E frozen mojitos. I get a nice lime mint smell off of this. It does remind you of a mojito. It's not a freezing soap or anything like that. Nothing like Mojito Chill from First Canadian Shave. So let's get this going for you guys. Hope you're all doing well. Hope the weather's warming up for you. We have a balmy -13 is a high here today. I'm going to be warming up all through the weekend so we get to +1 and then go back down a little bit to like -4s, but beautiful weather. We're going to head out and do some snowmobiling and skating with the kids this weekend. Enjoy the weather. They've been cooped up too long. Brushes, my Coyote cuts. Mad Hatter and Lime, 26 millimeter. Luxury Manchurian knot from Rick over there at Coyote Cuts. Beautiful brush. Probably my absolute favorite knot in my den right now. Yeah, so working great. We're going to scrub in here, guys. So, I don't know if you caught my mail call yesterday. Got a new razor in. I'm going to be using that today. Looking forward to this. It does need some water. Crap. Sorry, guys. I just realized. There we go. I forgot to turn my notifications off. Oh, this is looking pretty good. This is not the Kaizen base. But still an excellent soap base. In fact, I don't want anything in Kaizen yet. I will change that. Maybe become Kaizen 2. I don't know. But I've tried Kaizen. It's a great base. But so is this. Zero issues with Peter's old bases here. Oh yeah. There we go. I think we're money here. That should be good. So like I said, this isn't a really cold soap. In fact, I barely feel any chill in it. Not a bad thing. You don't always want to be freezing and enjoy this kind of scent. So I like having this in my den to use. All right. So here we go. Razor for today. Really what this shave is all about. For me, I'm really excited to use this. Just got in yesterday. My 7/8 Art RAZOR Consul. Got this off my buddy Tyler Dean. And it was done, honed up for me by Randy at First Canadian Shave. When Tyler had this made, he also had this is a full hollow. He also had a quarter hollow version made. Exact same razor except for the grind. Same scales. We're Blade Brothers now. Another cool part about it is that the scale material was actually supplied by Randy and it went overseas to have the scales made when the blade was being made. So, I have not stropped this yet. This is exactly as it came from Randy. I hope the heck I didn't need to strop it, but we'll find out. And if we do, I got my strop right there. Let's get this with the grain and see how this goes, guys. So far, so good. Wow. That's really nice. It blooped. There you go, Phil. There's a bloop for you, buddy. He blooped right down my chest here and onto my foot. I'm just going to have to clean this up, guys. Give me 1 second. Okay, I'm back. That was pretty funny. Oh, man. So I'm still trying to shave with the glasses. All right. Do find it hard to start up there with the glasses on, but without that, they're not bad at all, actually. This, holy schmoly. Feels really nice in the hands. That's wicked sharp. And smooth. Wow, so far it feels great. Wow. Randy's got a great edge here from what I can see, guys. I mean, everything I've heard is true. It's really nice. I'm really enjoying it so far. Might have got myself there when I tried that little curl. We'll see. I didn't stretch that area when I did that. Wow. So the soap, still, it's probably a medium scent, medium light. Very, 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 very tiny amount of chill. But that's perfect, like I said. Don't always want that huge chill for me. Sometimes I do enjoy it. I can't handle Mojito chill from Randy though. That first Canadian shave, that is cold. That's just a little too much for this cowboy. I love his polar vortex though. Damn, that's a nice chill. I gotta get it updated in his new base. I still have it in the old pre-Randy base, the original first Canadian shave base. I need to get it in Randy's V3. I'm enjoying that, guys. Wow. I can tell you this. My edges are shaveable. They're not this good. Holy crap, Randy. It's like butter going through my freaking whiskers. Really smooth too, though. He's got a nice combo here, actually. A really nice combination of sharpness and smoothness. I'm digging it. I am digging it. Can I get over that bump without making it bleed again? Yeah, I did get myself a little bit right there when I did that curl, just to try to clean up, get that little space, and I should have left it because I know I can get it on the next pass. that I just did, but oh well. Wow. Wow and wow and wow. I know I'm talking about this razor, guys, and maybe not talking a lot while I'm shaving with it here because I'm trying to really enjoy it. My first experience was I want to share with you guys with both this razor and Randy's Edge. And yeah, so far they're winners for me, both of them. Very happy. Very happy. Okay. Let's get the money pass going. There's a shout out to Stallion. But wow, man, Randy. Man, so far, wow. This is the real tell for me, but damn, dude. Yeah, effortless. That is, that's a good edge. That's a damn good edge. Holy shit. Holy shit. Wow. Wow. Guys, that's, I can tell you right now already, and I'm happy this, I am buds with Randy, so take it for what you want. You guys know I really enjoy his soaps. That's a damn nice edge. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Don't think I even reopened that. I might have got myself a little bit there. Damn it, but it's okay. I'm really enjoying this. Holy smokes. Had very little sleep last night. Just couldn't sleep. I gotta tell you guys, this is a great way to start my day off. Like, holy smokes. That was a little bit of weepers that I was screwed up on that one, and right there. Chin line, figures. Damn, it's nice. That's absolutely effortless. Like, it's just, this is silly. Silly fun, silly nice to use. blade feels great on my face. It's easy to maneuver. Feels good in the hand. I love the look of it. Wow, wow, wow. Let's just do a quick rinse here and see. That's pretty nice, guys. I'm going to pause it here, do the touch up on my chin, which does not need a lot. I'll be back for the post shave. All right, guys, I'm back. Beautiful shave. BBS all over. Really enjoyed that. Matching splash. Because alcohol-based splash, as Peters always are, but they feel good. I have a lot of good skin food in. That smells really, really nice. Limey, minty, nice, perfect blend, I think. And really not that cold, which is what I need for today. So that fits. These fit #Summer Week by Mel at BBS. So that was a stellar shave, guys. I really enjoyed it. Do a quick review for you. Just saw me use Frozen Mojitos by A&E. I whipped that up in my Thirsty Badger bowl with my Coyote Cuts 26mm Mad Hatter and Lime. As always, Stormtrooper Bug for water. And star of the show, the 7/8 Art RAZOR Consul from my buddy Tyler. Razor Bros now. Scales by Randy at First Canadian. And the edge was done by Randy at First Canadian. It's amazing. I gotta say, beautiful razor. Handles well in my hands. Feels great. Just a wonderful, wonderful razor. And the edge from Randy is amazing, guys. If you get a chance and you want to try one of his edges out, I'm going to highly recommend it to you. It felt amazing. You won't be disappointed. So thank you, Tyler. Thank you, Randy. Appreciate that, guys. And pass out, everyone. You have a great upcoming week, great upcoming weekend. I'll see you when I get back from snowmobiling. Happy shaving, everyone.